Good morning, one and all. Myself Naganika, Government Model Degree College, lecturer in Commerce, Reddy. Now, let us discuss the accounts of non-profit organization. Now, today I am going to tell solve the one problem. Here, from the following receipts and payments account of Ideal Cricket Club and the subjoined information, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2005 and balance sheet as on that date. Here receipts and payments account is given. So to balance 1/1/2005 cash in hand 353 rupees, to current account with bank 2738, to fixed deposit with bank 7% per annum 3000, to membership subscription including 600 for 2004 means it is previous year, that is 4000, and to entrance fees 275, to donations 501, to interest on fixed deposit up to 36 2005, that is 105. By payment side, by match expenses 1324, by salaries 1100, by purchase of postage stamps 105, by maintenance of ground 682, by printing and stationery 324, by conveyance of cricket equipment 972, by sundry expenses 200, by investments in national savings 1600, by balance on 31/12/2005 cash in hand, that is 280, by current account with bank 1302, by fixed deposit with bank at 7% per annum, that is 3000. The total amount is 10,971. Now here some additional information also given. The additional information is salary outstanding is, that is 100 rupees, and the value of unused postage stamp is as follows: on 31st December 2004 75, it means it is previous year. On 31st December 2005, that is 90 rupees. The stock of cricket equipment on 31st December 2005 was 321. The arrears of the membership subscription for 2005 amounted to 800. All arrears for 2004 were receiving during 2005. According to the bylaws of the club, donations and entrance fees are required to be credited to the general fund. Now first we have to prepare the opening balance sheet of the Ideal Cricket Club balance sheet as on 31/12/2014, means it is previous year. So from assets side, fixed deposits 3000, it is given in the receipts and payments account. Outstanding subscriptions, that is 600, so this 600 is given in the problem. Unused stamps 75, it is in the adjustment. Cash at bank 2735, it is opening balance of cash, bank balance. Cash in hand 352, this is opening balance of cash. So the total is 6765. So this is capital fund balance 6765. Now let us prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31/12/2005. Now debit side, expenditures to salaries 1100, add outstanding 100 rupees. This 100 rupees is given in the problem. 1100 plus 100, that is 1200. Next postage is 105. Next last year, previous year, that is postage is 75. To add to these 105 70 180, closed means closing postage, that is 90, 180 minus 90, 90. So maintenance of ground 682, to printing 324, to conveyance 82, to depreciation on cricket equipment 651, sundry expenses 200, expenses 1003. Now credit side, subscriptions. So for these subscriptions, they are given the working notes. So this is subscriptions. Subscriptions received, that is 4,000 in receipts and payments account. Current year subscriptions 800 is given in the adjustment. 4,000 plus 800, 4,800 minus last year subscription 600, 4,800 minus 600, 4,200. Here subscriptions 4,200. Next, interest on fixed deposits. Interest on fixed deposits for current year fixed deposit 105. For current year 105 means the 210. The interest on fixed deposits is 210. So here expenses are more than incomes, means by excess of expenditure over income, that is 143. Now let us discuss the balance sheet as on 31/12/2005. Liabilities: capital fund 6,765, add donations 701, and entrance fees is 275. To add all these items 7,541. Excess minus excess of expenditure over income 143, that is 7,398. 100. Now assets side, cricket equipment, that is 321, and again investments that is 1,600, fixed deposits 3,000, interest receivable, that is 105, outstanding subscriptions 800, means these adjustments. Postage stamps 90 rupees, cash at bank, ante this is closing balance. Cash in hand, this is opening balance, that is 280. The total is 7,498. This is the total of the balance sheet. So next, let us discuss the another problem. Now the receipts and payments accounts of the Ashok Nagar Association for the year ended 31st December 2005. The balance on 1/1/2005, that is 3,000. To entrance fees 5,500. To subscriptions 2004, means it is previous year, that is 2,000. To subscriptions 2005 means this year, that is 85,000. To subscriptions 2006 means next year, that is 2,000. Next, to locker rent, that is 1,600. To special subscriptions for dinner, that is 7,600. Now credit side means it is payment side. By rent is 14,400, by stationery 2,870, by wages 9,800, by billiard tables 39,000, by repairs etc. 5,410, by interest 6,200, by furniture 2,000, by books 3,000, by fixed 5,800, by balance on 31/12/2005 8,220. This is receipts and payments accounts of a Ashok Nagar Association for the year ended. Now the adjustments are locker rent is 300. Next, related to 2004, rent 2,400 has been paid in advance. Subscriptions 1,600 are unpaid for 2005. From the above information, you are prepared to prepare income and expenditure account for the year 31st December 2005 and balance sheet as on that date. Now income and expenditure account of Ashok Nagar Association income and expenditure account for the year 31/12/2005. First, to rent 14,400 minus advance rent received 2,400, that is 12,000. Stationery 870, wages 9,800, it is also given in the problem. To repairs 5,410, it is given in the problem. To interest, that is 6,200, it is given in the problem. Now credit side, subscriptions 85,000. So receivables means subscriptions 1,600 unpaid for the 2005. So 85,000 plus 1,600, 86,600. Dinner subscriptions, subscriptions that are 7,600 minus 5,800. This 5,800 is given in the problem. 1,800. Locker rent 1,600 minus last year 300, that is 1,300. By entrance fees 5,500. Next, we have to prepare the, here incomes are more than expenses. To excess of income over expenditure 58,920. Now we have to prepare the opening balance sheet to know the capital fund. Balance sheet as on 31/12/2004. Outstanding subscriptions 2,000, it is given in the adjustment. Outstanding locker rent 300. Cash, this is opening balance, the total is 5,300, is the capital fund. Now we have to prepare the closing balance sheet on 31/12/2005. Now liabilities, capital fund 5,300 to surplus 58,920, total is 64,220. Now subscriptions received in advance, here subscriptions received in advance, that is 2,000. Now assets side, furniture is 2,000. Now fixed deposits, that is 10,000. Books is 3,000. Billiard table 39,000. Prepaid rent, that is 2,400. Outstanding subscription 1,600. Cash 8,220. The total is 66,220. 66,220. So here this is the problem, Ashok Nagar Association. So here opening balance sheet, closing balance sheet, both have to be prepared here. So we have to take the, in income and expenditure account, we have to take the expenses are debit side, incomes are credit side. Now we have to record all expenses are debit side, all incomes are credit side. So if income is more than expenditure, here in this problem income is more than expenditure, that is why to excess of income over expenditure. So income is less than expenditure means to excess of expenditure over income. So we have to write like that. So here to know the capital fund, we have to prepare the opening balance sheet. The opening balance sheet as on 31/12/2004, outstanding subscriptions 2,000, it is given in the adjustment. Outstanding locker rent 300 and cash is 3,000. Now the capital fund is 5,300. Now liability side, we have to write the capital fund 5,300, surplus 58,920, the total is 64,220. Subscriptions received in advance 2,000. Next assets side, furniture is 2,000, fixed deposit 10,000, books 3,000, billiard table 39,000, prepaid rent, that is 2,400, outstanding subscription 1,600, cash is 8,220. The total of the balance sheet is 66,220. Thank you all.